You clicked on this because deep down, you know your face doesn't look the way it should. And it's not your genetics. It's not your bone structure. It's something you do 20,000 times a day without even thinking about it. The way you breathe. Most guys breathe through their mouth and have no idea it's quietly reshaping their entire face, pulling their jaw back, softening their chin, making them look tired even when they're not. And the scariest part? It happens slowly. So slowly you won't notice until someone shows you an old photo and you barely recognize yourself. Today I'm breaking down exactly how breathing changes your face shape and the simple fix that can start reversing it in just 90 days. Stay until the end because the science behind this will completely change how you see your own face. So how do you fix it? First, nasal breathing. Every breath in and out through your nose. Always. Your nose filters air, regulates oxygen, and forces your tongue into the correct resting position. If you struggle breathing through your nose at night, that's a sign your airway needs work, not an excuse to mouth breathe forever. Second, tongue posture. Rest your tongue flat against the roof of your mouth, not touching your teeth. This alone starts repositioning the pressure that shapes your jaw. Do it while you work, while you walk, while you watch this video. Make it automatic. Third, mewing correctly. This isn't a trend, it's basic orthotropics. Tongue on the roof, teeth lightly together, lips sealed. Hold this posture as your default. Over months, this redirects growth forces in your jaw and chin area. Fourth, fix your sleep posture. Sleeping with your mouth open undoes everything you do during the day. If you're a mouth breather at night, your face is regressing for 8 hours straight. Use nasal strips or mouth tape if you need to. Your face literally rebuilds itself while you sleep, and you want it building in the right direction. The transformation isn't instant. Day 1, nothing changes. Day 45, you'll notice your jaw feels different, more engaged. Day 90, the actual structure starts shifting, sharper, more defined, more masculine. Most guys spend years trying to fix their face with skincare, with haircuts, with grooming. But none of that matters if the foundation, your bone structure, is being pulled backward every single day by the way you breathe. Fix the breathing. Fix the foundation. Everything else builds on top of that. Close your mouth. Breathe through your nose, starting right now.